if you search on YouTube right now, if you search China importation training or comprehensive China importation course on YouTube right now, my personal channel, my video happens to be the first. Yes, it's one of the best ranking video. It's not just a ranking video because of the views, right? It's because of the value it carries, right? My other channel, which is Rachel Bryan, yes, it was formerly Rachel Nabon. I have to change it when I got married to Rachel Bryan. Has that video, and it's a video where it's a channel where I upload my China importation video. But it just happened that I'm not just a China importation coach. I'm not only a China procurement agent. I'm wearing so many caps, right? I'm wearing so many caps, and also a content creator and influencer. And I teach people how to make money online. So it happens that on that channel, this channel I'm talking about now, this is my channel. On this particular channel, I have mixed up videos. I have lifestyle videos. I have working from home videos. I have importation videos, business related video. I have social media videos too because I am a social media influencer, and they are all mixed up. So I decided to create this particular channel just to talk about China importation. So that's the reason why I'm creating a different channel, right? People have been reaching out to me to create a channel for China importation ever since, but I said no. But I'm beginning to see reasons why I should create a different channel, right? So the other channel limits me of pushing in more content. Okay, let me pause. You are seeing my face for the first time. Hi, I'm Rachel. I call myself Rachel of Z Plus, right? So my name is Rachel Bryan, and my brand name is Z Plus Group, right? So in Z Plus Group, we have Z Plus Importation. That's the reason why the name of this channel is Z Plus Importation, and we also have Z Plus Stores and Z Plus other things that will come in future. But I've been in business for a while. I've been in China importation business. This is my 6th year, and this month that I'm creating this channel happened to be my business anniversary, making it 6 years of doing China importation, and I've been training people for years now. That video I'm talking about is one of my viral video on China importation, and through that video I have trained a lot of students. I have helped a lot of persons procure. I've helped people start their businesses. I have helped people understand everything about China importation. So I decided to create this channel just for that reason, for China importation. And also if you want to start an online business, or you want to start working from home, because that is what I do and that is what I teach people to do too. So every contact about me, my Instagram handle Z Plus Importation, and my personal handle Rachel Bryan, will all be in the description. Also my WhatsApp contact will also be in the description too. If you've seen my face before, or you've seen my video before, or you've watched any of my video from my personal channel before, drop a comment. Let's connect here. Let's grow this channel. We are just starting, right? It's very hard. It was very hard for me to leave my channel of over 8K subscribers to come start from the scratch just to give you premium content. So if you've seen my face before, if you've watched my video has been helpful to you before, drop a comment before I continue. So you now know the reason why I created this channel, right? China importation business is a business that can never stop, especially in Africa. Why? Because we rely on imported products. In Nigeria, I'm a Nigerian, right? I'm a Nigerian, yeah. So in Nigeria, we rely on imported products, and it's something that can never stop. I remember in 2020, I wanted to stop China importation because dollar rate was high then. I think it was around 350, 500. So I wanted to stop. I was like, the rate is high. I paused for a moment actually, but on a second thought, I have to check. I saw that people were still in the business, people were importing every day. That was when I understood that this business can't stop. What you need to do is to understand the strategy on how to go about it. What do you need to change? Yes, the rate keeps increasing. When I started China importation, 1 yuan was around 74. Right now, 1 yuan is around 200. Am I saying 200? 200, 220, 230 is frustrating, right? But we are still in business, right? So what I did differently in 2020, that was like 5 years ago, or should I say 4 years ago, what I did differently was that I have to learn more about the business. This is where the point comes in. I always tell people, before going into anything, make sure you learn. And when you're learning, don't just learn from anyone. Make sure you're getting it from the right person, right? So what makes someone right to teach you China importation? One, the person has to be doing China importation business. Yes, you don't just teach what you're not doing. You have to be doing China importation business. I always call myself the coach that teach and do China importation business. I am not teaching you what I learned on YouTube or what I just heard people do, because I know people do that. People see my videos on my other channel, my China importation videos, and use it to do master class and sell. Some of them sell higher, some of them sell cheaper. I am not stealing people's video to teach you. I am teaching you my experiences, the mistakes I have made in the business, the mistakes that I've learned over the years. I teach you how to overcome all these things. So when you're choosing a China importation coach, make sure you choose someone that have experience, someone that is doing I say someone that is doing the business. Secondly, choose someone that has experience. Yes, experience is the best teacher. Yes, you can also learn while you are doing it. You can make mistakes and correct it, but it's slow compared to when you're learning from someone that have the experience. I have this experience. I have experience in China importation. I've made my mistakes, and because of that, I teach people how to avoid those mistakes and how to become better without going through all the pains and losses I went through starting as a China importer. So look for someone that have the experience. I have people that have taught China importation. Just this year that we are talking about, this guy enrolled for China importation in January, and in February he was already doing China importation training. So when I saw it on his status, I was shocked. I was like, wow, you're doing China importation already when you're still undergoing mentorship under me. He comes every day to ask me questions. He has not fully learned China importation, but he is doing procurement. He is doing China importation training. And most of you will always fall for it because, of course, they are going to charge cheaper than what their coaches are charging. So you guys will always fall for them. Look for someone that have experience. Look for someone that have experience. There's a reason why I'm saying this. It helps you to learn faster. It also helps you not to make a lot of mistakes. Then thirdly, look for someone that is genuine, right? I know it's difficult because it's an online business, right? We can learn from anywhere, but you have to pray to whatever you believe in. I believe in God. And when I started, I always pray to God. God help me. By the grace of God, for the 6 years I've been in China importation business, I have never been scammed majorly. I have never run away from with people's money. I am also an exchanger, RMB exchanger. So I have people exchange. I've exchanged millions of naira without scamming anyone and without anyone scamming me. So you have to pray to God to help you to meet the right persons. I had a lot of, if I start showing you screenshots from this and that, people say they pray and they are directed to come to me and the rest of it. And they've never regretted coming to me. So pray to God to guide you. There are a lot of scammers doing this business. There are a lot of people that are using people's money to cash out, especially when it comes to RMB UN exchange. You just send your money and they block you and the rest of it. You have to pray that God should guide you. But on a whole, rating the business is a good business. If it wasn't a good business, I would have stopped since 2020. But here I am, still doing this 6 years later. So it's a good business. I own a glasses store where I sell glasses. Yes, I've tried other products, but currently what I'm selling now is glasses. So I also teach people how to start glasses business. I teach general importation. Yes. Okay, this video is just like me stating and answering some questions that I've been getting. And that is the essence of this channel. So I have the chance to answer a lot of questions, right? So I also teach you how to start glasses business. I do general China importation. What do I mean by general China importation? I don't just teach you glasses importation. I don't just teach you phone accessories importation. I don't just teach you bags and hair importation. I teach you everything about importation. The fact still remains that you can import anything and everything from China, like I do say, except human head. I don't teach you how to import human head. But if you want to import any other thing, I teach you how to do that. And from there, you can pick your niche. The reason why it is general importation, so you can explore, see varieties, see what is available in the market, see what you don't know of. Then you pick your niche. If you want to start selling hair, you say hair. You say hair. If you want to start selling shoes, you sell shoes. So that is what I do. What else? Shipping, payments, as Z Plus importation, we do that. We help you ship, we help you pay your suppliers, and we export from China to the UK, to the US. We also do to most African countries, Kenya, Ghana, Mozambique, Cote d'Ivoire, and some other African countries. Nigeria is a major country, right? So we got you covered. Okay, this video is already long. It's supposed to be an introductory video, but I hope to post at least 2 videos weekly on everything you need to know about China importation. If you want to enroll for any of my courses, I have the link to my courses in the description. I also have my WhatsApp contact, my Instagram handles, everything is in the description, right? You can search for me anywhere. Rachel Brian, Z Plus Importation. You can check on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, anywhere you find me. All right. So without any further explanation, let me stop here. Just drop a comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about China importation, also drop a comment and I will be available to answer you. Let me know in the comments the particular topic you want me to talk about next. For now, bye.